All right, so quick tutorial how to put together the Birdhouse kits for Hazel Park 5th grade camp. So step 1 says make a bridge by laying the front on both sides, being sure to keep the bottom ends even. We take 2 sides, stand them up on their sides, take our front, set it on top so that it'll all fit together. Step 2 says attach both sides with the 4 nails. There are pre-drilled holes. Take the nails, tap them in place. Same thing on the other side. So you can see, flip it around. Make sure it's even at the bottom. There should be a little gap here at the top on purpose. It's supposed to be air ventilation, what the plans call for. Step 3, slide the bottom piece, this is the bottom, into place, making sure to keep the bottoms even. Try to get this part evened out here. Put a nail in the bottom. Step 4 says, place the birdhouse with the front down using the roof to help support it to prevent it from teetering. So we're putting this face down. The roof we're just using as a support so it doesn't want to tip like this. Take the back piece. Where there's a single hole, that's the top. So it's going to go this way. Line it up so that the 2 bottom holes here are going to fit into the bottom of the birdhouse. So we're going to line up. We want to make sure that the bottom looks like it is lined up with the bottom piece here, and attach the sides. Another one. Together to make sure it's even. We can attach then the bottom. Last but not least, we attach the roof. The roof should have the 2 nails go towards the front. They go straight down into the front piece of wood, and that leaves a little gap here for air to flow through it, and attach the 2 nails in the back. These guys lined up a little bit. I use another nail, the head, just to kind of act as a spacer for me for a minute. So I just put it like that. Take the nail back out and use it to finish the last hole. last hole here so they can hang on a tree or a post. And that is your simple 5th grade bird camp, or birdhouse for camp.